What's up, everybody? It's Grace Ventures. It's Independence Day. Hope you're having a good one. Hope you let some firecrackers off, and I hope you end the day with all your fingers. I gotta go take care of some dog sitting duties. Gotta let Bella the bulldog eat some din-din, take her outside so she can go to the bathroom, and then I'm headed over to my mother-in-law's house, visit some family. Not taking Braun with me, so I figured let's ride the motorcycle. Like, it definitely makes sense. It was kind of an awkward little situation. I looked at the temperature on my phone before I decided to do this. It said 89 degrees. I'm like, it'll be okay. And you know what? It is totally fine. So let that be a note to the Joe Rocket jacket. It's like 89. It is almost 7 o'clock though, so it's cooling down. Oh, I want to get out here and take care of this dog. I'm gonna have to use the bathroom too. Bird. Oh, and I dropped my bike again, except this time I wasn't on it, so that lessened the blow. I actually did more damage this time dropping my bike than I did when I was on it and I dropped it. Just trying to change the oil, trying to pick it up and put it on the thing I use for a stand, and I got it most of the way on there, and it like went off of the other side, got away from me, fell all the way over, broke the front brake lever off, cracked my fender. Ugh. Luckily I had a spare brake lever, so just put that on. Wasn't too big a deal. Still, it's dumb. Like, not like, yeah, did more damage that time than it did when I actually wrecked in the street, falling over off the stand. Just trying to change the oil, clean and lube the chain. That was my two things. I changed the oil, clean and lube the chain, broke the front lever, broke the front brake lever, cracked the fender, fixed the front brake lever. Still have a cracked fender. So I guess I did accomplish the two main things I wanted to do, which is good. Woo! Woo! Check on Braun. Bella. Oh, it's hot. Okay. And I'm not close enough to the thing. Oh my god. Come on. Here we go. Did I get it? Come on. I'll turn off their pool. Did I just do that? that was kind of wild, right? Oh, there's bugs. I hate bugs. What's this thing? Oh my god. Alright. That was bananas. Oh, what are you? Oh, get off me. The green one's alive. It's alive! Okay. Sorry. That was odd. Now I really gotta pee. Alright. Who's a porker? Huh? Who's a little porker? Are you a porker? Come on. Where's your call? Your thing? Where's your thing? Huh. Come on. Come on, Bella. Oh, crap. I went this far with the helmet on. What do we do? I think I can tough it out. Let's see. Come on. Oh, there's one. We got one done already. Man, having the motorcycle helps for stuff like this where you got to go multiple places and be there quick. Just get on the bike, rip around, go do what I got to do. Get off me. Get off me. You're getting bigger. You're getting bigger. Get down. Close my visor. Maybe I'll be more intimidating when I tell her to get down. Might freak her out. I wonder if it'll work though. If she'll listen to me, because I bet I look terrifying. This is really hot. Ah! Don't you gotta go poop? Huh? Huh? Don't you have to go to the bathroom? Why are you so much easier to walk if I go backwards? Huh? Oh, you're fat. I'm fat. We're both fat. I'm breathing like you. Are we done? Are you done? Is this your take me inside march? Huh? 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 What's up? Bella. Oh, it's hot. Go on. Get in there. Alright, so we got all the puppy dogs taken care of. Well, the puppy dog. There's only one out here. Finished the second part of my trip. that sounds crazy in my helmet. I don't know if you guys could hear the fireworks or not. I'm starting to get hungry again. It's about time for more barbecue. It's the 4th of July. I mean, that's what you're supposed to do, right? Just eat barbecue all day long. Looking for Cedar Run Road. That's what's going to get us where we got to go. By George, I'm pretty sure that was it. Or turn around. I think that was it. Right back there. I was going way too fast to see. I'm stupid. Alright, let's turn around. Use that front brake. I dabbed. It's not. It's Conway. Oh my gosh. What is that in the road? It's a rabbit. Rabbit. Okay. I haven't killed anything on my motorcycle yet. I don't want a little rabbit to be the first thing. I feel like that was it back there. Alright, I'm not saying I'm lost, but what I am saying is I'm confused. Cedar Run. Or wait, no, I think I'm looking for Cedar Falls. I don't even know at this point. Where am I? Okay. What is this? I'm at Cedar Lake. Okay. I don't know how I screwed this up, but I did. Alright, so the road that I thought was it. The sign's gone. Hey, which way is Cedar Falls Road? It's that way? So it is this way. Oh god, I found neutral and choked at the same time. I don't know what happened there. Alright, now I know where I'm at. I'm on Cedar Falls Road, not Cedar Run Road. That was dumb of me. Dude, people are partying today. It's good. It's good to see people getting back out and having fun, you know? Alright, now we're in Deloge, the town I'm supposed to be in. Oh man, it'd be cool if I could make this light. Oh, don't pull out in front of me. Could just make this light. I don't think I will. Oh my god, I might. We're doing it. We're doing it. I made it. I made it. It was yellow. Oh, I hope there's something to eat over here because I've worked up an appetite getting lost and such. Can't believe I got lost. That's so stupid. I wasn't lost. I was just unsure. I mean, I knew where I was. I just was like, I don't know how to get to where I need to go from where I'm at, and I'm not sure if they go together, which they did. That's a good look there. Coveralls with the bikini top. Yeah. Yeah, that might be the thumbnail. Happy 4th of July, everybody. I got my bikini top on, my coveralls. Okay, so I kind of sort of got lost just for a second. Not really like lost, more just like misplaced. I'm trying to decide what I'm going to tell my wife when I get here like an hour later than I said I'd be here. She's going to be like, what took you so long? I'm like, I got misplaced. Somebody put me in the wrong folder. Ooh. Oh, they're home. Alright, so now we are post 4th of July celebration, headed back home. Lots of snaps and pops and crackles and explosions going off in the sky and smoke everywhere. You guys see some of those. So that pretty well wraps it up for this episode of Grace Ventures. Thanks for joining me, guys. I hope you had a great 4th of July. I'll catch you next time. I'm out.